Many firms belongs to US fled to China to produce goods and services in China itself in order to grab cheap labor costs. But because the cost of production seems high in US, that's why they are going to China. But Trump not interested to use that policy. He wanted to call them back. That's why he introduced reciprocal tariff system, right? And other economic policies. So, but led global recession also. Actually, the cost of production seems higher in US. That is the main problem, and this is one of the reasons. Now, another reason is US is having trade deficit with China. The main reason when we unearth the China is the goods-based economy, US is the service-based economy. Around 80% of the workforce in US residing in service sector. That's why US not able to realize a trade surplus. That is the main problem, right? So due to presence of all these problems, right, US introduced different types of irrelevant economic reforms. For example, Trump wanted to eliminate income tax. Trump wanted to eliminate gig workers. Trump wanted to scrap government offices. Trump wanted to cut the funds for UN. So these are the blunder mistakes which are being done by the Mr. Trump. Okay. So actually these are not relevant measures. These are the abrupt measures. That's why he put a full stop for 90-day pause also given. Right. So in this juncture, India also doing her best to increase relationship with the US. Okay, that's why enter into BTA, bilateral trade agreement, in which India opted to increase its trade value from 191 to $500 US billion by 2030. Right.